Get it going, but here we go. Resume recording. We good? Okay. All right, so we need to look inside the parentheses first because order of operations says to look at parentheses. So I look inside here, and we've got x plus 1. Okay, can I combine like terms with x plus 1? No. Are they like terms? Are they like terms? Talking about this earlier. What do you think? X and 1, they are not like terms, right? This would be like having pesos and dollars and trying to buy something in Europe, right? No, they're not going to take it. They might take American dollars, they might take pesos, but they're not going to take American dollars and pesos, right? Okay, so x plus 1 we can't do anything with. So then we look on the outside of the parentheses, and what does this 4 on the outside tell us to do? To multiply it, right? To bring it inside through multiplication. So 4 times x is 4x. 4 times 1 is just a 4. Okay, nothing changes with our negative 6x plus 5, correct? Correct? Okay, just making sure. All right, what about this side? Same thing, can we do anything with x minus 4? No, not inside the parentheses, so we look outside the parentheses. Multiply this in. Jacob, where's your bell ringer? Okay. So we multiply this, and 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative 4 is positive 12 or negative 12? Negative 12 plus 8. Okay, questions about how we got here? None? Or? Yes, we can. How can we simplify it more? Combine like terms, okay? So I'm going to say I can combine which term? Negative 6x and... Whoa, what happened? Go back. Oh. Okay, so we can combine 4x and negative 6x, yes? Okay, so let's combine those here and here. Okay, a positive and a negative, so positive 4x minus 6x gives me how many x's? Negative 2x. Okay, what else can I combine on the left side? 4 and 5. Okay, 4 and 5 together gives me plus 9. Okay, what about on the right-hand side? Can I combine anything on the right-hand side? Yes, Warren's nodding his head yes. The negative 12 and the positive 8, right? Which gives me what? Negative 4, so I'm left with 3x minus 4. Okay, now what? Simplify. What's our end goal? To figure out the value of x, because right now x is just some unknown value, correct? Okay, so what does the end problem need to look like? Negative. You want to move the 3x? Sure. Okay, so how do I move the 3x? We need to get rid of it on this side to move it over. So how do I get rid of positive 3x? We subtract. We want to move the whole thing. If we divide it, how much of it are we moving? Only the 3x. Only the 3. If I want to move the whole 3x, I need to subtract the whole thing. Okay, so I'm going to subtract 3x from this side. So I'm left with what on this side? Negative 5x plus 9 is equal to negative 4. Okay? Do I have all my x's on one side? Yes, they're all on this side. Do I have all my numbers on one side? No, they're currently on both sides, right? So what do I need to do? I need to move what? The 9. How do I move this 9? Subtract it and move it over. So I'm going to subtract 9 from both sides. And that's going to give me what? Okay, negative 13 on this side and negative 5x on the left side. Okay, now what? Divide by negative 5? What do y'all think? Because what's our end goal? We want x by itself, so we have an x value is equal to something. Okay, so I'm going to divide by negative 5, divide by negative 5, so x is equal to what? Okay, a negative divided by a negative is what? A positive, so it's positive 13 over 5, or that's the decimal is what? 2 6/10? Sure. Okay, so that is answer B. Answer B.